Hey everyone, let's get the first and last element of an array in PHP. So let's make an array variable first and write the elements of an array. So I'm going to write the name of animals. After that we will use for each loop, and here $array variable as $index and $animals. This will hold the elements of an array. Now we are going to use if statement, and inside here if $index equals to array key first and then pass array here variable. So if index equals to array key first array equal $animals. So it will print out the first element of an array, and we will do again for the last one. So you just need to write here the last. Okay, so save it and see the result, dog and pig. Okay, so there is no separation because we have not separated anything here. So this is the one method you can get the first and the last element of an array in PHP. Okay, thank you. And for more programming lesson, check out our channel flowindata.